Hey Squad, welcome back to an episode of Is It Worth It? So today's episode we got this cool image around here, and basically what this is a shredded memory foam pillow. So supposedly the material that they use on here is not only memory foam, but supposed to give you guys that cooling gel that's inside, which is pretty cool. And for the one that we got right here, you can see it from a brand called Bedsure. So basically in my previous video, I actually reviewed a lot of products from this brand. So I actually know that it is some high quality material from this brand. But first I'm actually open this up to show you guys what the inside looks like first. Alright, so once you guys open up, here's what it looks like inside. So first the inside right here, you can see they do provide guys the shredded memory foam that's inside. And right underneath that, you can see we do have the actual product. So right here in front, you can see we do have the brand logo. You can see for the pillow it's honestly compressed, but let me actually fully open it. So once you guys open up this part right here, it's still compressed inside. So let's take off this wrapper as well. Alright, so once you guys take off the wrapper, here is basically what the pillow looks like. So it's definitely going to take some time for the filling to fully expand, but you definitely do have the option to add more filling or boost down the filling if you guys do want to. And let me show you guys how to do it. So you basically want to open it on the side right here. And then here is basically what the inside looks like. So what you guys want to do is open up the zipper right here. And here is basically what the inside looks like. So pretty much what's inside right here is this part right here. So if you guys want to be more firm, then you guys want to add everything else inside right here. But if you guys want to be soft, then you don't have to add it in. For me, I do like it firm, so I'm actually add everything inside. So you basically want to pour it in. Alright, so once you guys got all of them in, you guys want to zip it back up. And you guys want to close this part up as well. You basically want to fluff it out. And once you guys fluff it out, all you need to do now is just let it kind of expand by itself over time. Usually it takes around like 24 to 48 hours for it to fully expand. But here is basically what the product looks like once you guys do put all the filling inside before it fully expand. I do want to mention for the cover that you can see right here is washable. So if you guys want to take off this cover to wash it, you do have the option available. But when you guys do feel the material that's on here, it definitely feels pretty nice. It actually feels very fluffy. But like I mentioned, if you guys want to get like the full benefit of the product, you do want to let it fully expand first. And if you guys notice on the side right here, and also on the other side, they do have like this breathable mesh material, so that way if you guys sweat a lot, that won't be an issue. But I feel like the cool thing about the product is the fact that it does give you guys adjustable option to take out the filling if it's too much. So whether if you guys want to be soft, medium, or firm, you do have the option to adjust it. So if you guys do put your head on here, it actually feels pretty nice. You do get like this cooling effect on here because of the cooling gel that's inside. But it also feels very soft and very smooth as well. So that way you can fall asleep much easier with that cooling effect, which is really useful especially during the hotter days. But that is basically everything that's on the product. Now to go unboxing and test the product. Now to answer the question of whether or not it's worth it or not. So for this pillow, I do have to say that it is pretty worth it if you guys want to need one of these. Especially if you guys are in the market looking for a high quality memory foam pillow that has a similar design that's on here, then I do have to say that it is pretty worth it. But then obviously for those of you guys who don't want or don't need one or haven't one of these, then obviously don't buy one and save your money for something else that you actually do need. So that's basically everything for this video itself. If you guys like this video, make sure to smash that like button in the bottom. That will definitely help this video out, and it will definitely help with the algorithm as well to promote more videos for you guys so you guys can see more of the videos or similar videos as well. But as always, make sure to stay positive, be you, and I'll see you guys in the next episode of Is It Worth It? Peace.